Here is a short tutorial about adding a job very quickly from the jobs page. In the upper left-hand corner, we see the Add Job button. Clicking it gives us a very short form to fill out. There's a couple tricks that we have added for you. For example, if you start searching by the phone number, the system will automatically show you any customers that have previously been added using that phone number. And selecting the phone number from the list will fill out all of their contact information. Therefore, you don't have to go through the typing through it all over again. If we want to take everything out and start fresh, we could say something like Michelle, and we'll put in a name here, and maybe we have different phone number that hasn't been added to the system before, so we get no results there. And then we'll just say michelle@gmail.com, for example. Now we can actually go and type in the street address. So we type in 11189 and Google starts to give us results. And this happens to be the address of a place I lived long, long ago. Clicking on that will select all of the address components for us. A couple things that you may not know is that we actually track the latitude and longitude as well as the county invisibly using this type of information. So it's very good to select the address from Google's suggestions because it gives Field Harmony a lot of really good details we can use later on for location or tax purposes. Now, the only field that you must absolutely fill out at this point is the job type if you want a job type to be created. When we select refrigerator, if we hit submit, a job will now be created. A job number will be automatically assigned for the new job of type refrigerator. If you do not select anything and you just hit submit, you're going to create this customer record, but no job will be created for that customer. So select a job type if you want and a job category from the list, keeping in mind these are two fields that you choose what they are. They can be anything you want them to be in your environment. Select a technician from the list. We're going to choose Paul. And then, of course, give it a start date. We'll go for tomorrow. Notice how the end date is automatically filled out for you. You can change that if you wish, but for our purposes, we're going to just leave it. Then select a start time. We have AM on the top row here, and we have PM on the bottom row. We do use 24-hour time because it's far more difficult for people to make mistakes when they have 24-hour time as opposed to using just a 12-hour clock. We will select 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. in this case, and then we can go ahead and dispatch that call. When we select dispatched and we click submit, the customer will receive a notification that this appointment has been confirmed. The technician will also receive a notification if you enabled those features via email or SMS or a combination of email and SMS with all the pertinent details. The last thing that you really want to add from this screen are some notes about what's going on with this job. We might say the ice maker isn't making any ice. And that will give the technician an idea what the customer called in to complain about. The last thing we do is click the submit button. The record will be saved and those emails and the SMS will be dispatched and we will be brought directly into the customer's record.